Hello all and welcome to our channel Holistic Facts. Today in Prelims Prime videos we are going to see Nasha Mukt Bharat Annual Action Plan. So this plan was launched on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which was on 26th June. Alright, and it was launched by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So before we go on to the plan, we'll first see a certain numbers or certain statistics about what's the prevalence of drug abuse in India. So according to National Survey on Extent and Pattern of Substance Use in India report, alcohol is the most common psychoactive substance used, followed by cannabis and opioids. So the most addicting substance that is used in India is alcohol. And then about 8 lakh 50,000 Indians inject drugs, about 4 lakh 60,000 children and 1.8 million adults need help for inhalant dependence, and 7.7 million Indians require help for opioid dependence. So you can see how large this number is, the people that are dependent upon the drugs. Dependence here means addiction. They're addicted to these drugs, and if they don't take it, their bodies ask for it, right? And keep in mind, the drug abuse starts as early as the age of 12 to 13 years. All right, it's not like only after 15 or 16 years of age people start abusing drugs. Here also we are given certain numbers only, like 6.25 crore alcohol addicts. See, now alcohol is consumed by much larger number of people, but these many are addicts, they're dependent. Then 2.5 lakh opiate addicts, then 10 lakh other illicit drug addicts, 9 lakh cannabis addicts. So you need to keep certain number in mind, like at least alcohol and stuff. Okay. The action plan has the following components. Awareness generation program. The first and foremost thing is you have to be aware about this problem, right? So in the community and in the persons who are affected, we need to create certain awareness. Then focus on higher educational institutions, university campuses and school. Now these are certain platforms from where the paths of young generation deflects, right? Because you have a peer pressure here, you need to look cool because everybody else is doing, or there is university pressure, career pressure, or any other thing that is going on in personal life. The easiest way to handle these things are move towards these particular drugs, right? But which is not the safe way, or which is not even the legal way. Then community outreach and identification of dependent population. Focus on treatment facilities in hospital settings and capacity building programs for service providers. Now, how will it be implemented? It would focus on 272 most affected districts. So keep this in mind, not all districts, because it's an annual plan. So for this 1 year, 272 districts will be in focus. So there's a three-pronged approach, or attack you can say, combining efforts of Narcotics Bureau, outreach or awareness by social justice, and treatment through health department. There will be de-addiction facilities. Now this is very important, because when it comes to any kind of addiction or dependence, you can't suddenly stop taking that particular drug. Like you can't suddenly stop taking alcohol, because then there are withdrawal symptoms. Okay? So these facilities can help you take a stepwise approach getting out of these addictions. Then there are drop-in centers for addicts that will set up, and also on peer-led community-based outreach. So basically, drop-in centers and peer-led community-based outreach programs will be there. Drop-in centers, what are these? So these are safe spaces where a person can go, accept that the person has a problem, has addiction or dependence of some kind, and can talk about his life, about his story of how he or she got into this and how he or she wants to get out of this. So you can get all the emotional support here. All right, these are real problems and these are difficult to handle. So as a community, if we come together and we help, then these problems can be tackled easily. Then Integrated Rehabilitation Center for Addicts, IRCAs, would reach out to communities to help those affected by drug addiction. As I said, community is very important. Social acceptance of these problems and socially helping people to get out of these problems. Then there are certain key facts that you need to remember. Like Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, has identified 272 districts. Okay? So those 272 districts where this is going to be implemented, they're recognized by Narcotics Control Bureau. and mostly these districts belong to Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Northeast. All right, so northern part of India leads in this particular thing, and there are certain other districts too from southern India also. The districts have been identified by center as those hugely affected by drug abuse. And originally, this Nasha Mukti Bharat annual action plan that we are now carrying out, originally it was Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign, and launched in 2015 by Shiromani Akali Dal in Punjab. So one thing to note here is that our northern part, right, the border that we share with Pakistan, the Punjab side especially, it's a porous border, and Pakistan is part of Golden Crescent, right? So Pakistan, Afghanistan and Iran, these three are very infamous for drug trafficking, mainly opiates and other kind of drugs, all the illegal drugs, right? And as we know, the border between Punjab and Pakistan is quite porous, all right, and from where all the trafficking occurs. So these areas are very very affected because of being close to the Golden Crescent, and hence we can see कि according to the national list of district most affected by substance abuse, 18 of the 22 districts in Punjab are among those identified by NCB as hugely affected, right? So out of 22 districts in Punjab, 18 are hugely affected by these drugs. Then in Haryana also, out of 22 districts, 10 are affected by these kind of illicit drugs. So these are the certain facts that you need to remember both for your prelims and mains. Sometimes in prelims they can ask one liners, and then in mains if you are asked about a question which deals with drug abuse or what are the steps that are being taken, then you need to put in certain facts. So for today's video, that is it, and if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Holistic Facts. Thank you.